What is up, guys? Welcome back with a brand new video. Today I am showing you guys the LAMPHUS sound alert model SASRN01 for this model today. I am going to be showing you guys my lights and siren tones on this thing right here. So let's go ahead and do it. So first of all, let's do our horn, aka the electric horn. Just the electric horn. And then you got a manual. It says that it's siren, but it's manual. So every time you click on that, it does that right there. Does like that. And then you got the main siren right here. So let's go ahead and flip it to sorry guys. Go ahead and flip it to whale. Right now. Yelp. High-low. High-low too. So there you go. Those are all the siren tones that the siren has. Let's go ahead and turn on right now the lights in just a second. Hold on. About to be done. Okay. Alright, so these are the lights that I have. Original lights. So these are mini light bars of 6 inches from what I remember. And let's go ahead and turn them on. As you see, all 4 of them just turn on. And they are red and blue. And over here, if you want to flip this switch too, that will turn off the lights, and then flip both of the switches. The lights turn back on. Flip one switch, the other one's still on because they're connected to both of the lights. So I do have more lights coming in the mail, so that's gonna be awesome. And I am gonna as well put them to the other siren, to the other switch. Right. So they're gonna be as well placed in the middle here. These are like 6 inches, the same light bars, but they just turn white. And there's only 2, different company too than these ones. So right now, that's it. So yeah, we're gonna put those mini lights as well in between here. So we got takedown as well for the lights. You can get them on Amazon. That's where I got them for like something like $23, something like that. It was in the 20s though. And you can get those lights there on Amazon if you guys are wanting to buy those. And these lights as well, these 4 lights, you can as well get them off Amazon. I got the 4-pack. I don't remember how much they were. They're like 40 something dollars, but something like that. And yeah, I love them. They're really good. If I can flip the switch, see, go ahead and turn off the lights. See the lights right here. Just like that. Turn off this light too. And then this is what they look like. They do have like 8 patterns, I believe. They got what, like possibly 8. I don't remember how much patterns, but they got a couple patterns. So yeah, this is like pattern 4 or something like that. I don't remember, but yeah, those are the ones here. Now, if you guys can tell, these are flashing this way. Same with these. So they're basically going over here. So boom, like that. They seem like they're just flashing, but they're actually pointing this way. So after those 2, they go off. So you know. So that's how they work. Go ahead and turn on the lights back on. So yeah, this is as well a siren speaker you can talk through. Test. So go ahead and do that. Test. Like that. Works perfectly fine. There's only a couple things I don't like about the siren. So one, when you try to put it on the very max volume, your siren will turn off and then turn back on. Turn off and do that the whole time. I'm not sure why it does that, but somewhere like over from here, you guys can see that, to the very max, it literally just is really just doing that, cutting it out, which is annoying, but yeah. But that's all I wanted to do to today's video. Just a siren 7-minute video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.